Let me show you how you can disable your Windows 11 updates permanently. So to do this, come to your search bar and search, just write services. Okay, this is services. Click on services. Scroll down to where you will see Windows Update. This is Windows Update. So I click on it, click on Properties, and this startup type, select Disable, then Apply and click OK. This is the first step. The second step, close here. Come to your network distance. Right click and click network and internet settings. Okay. Click on internet. Then click on this metered connection. Turn it on. This is the second step. Then close here. Come to your search bar. Click on, just type on, then run it. Then put in this command, gp edit .msc. Click on OK. Expand, drag and expand this. Expand it. Then click on administrative, expand administrative template. Then click on Windows component, expand Windows components. Then go down and look for Windows updates. Expand so that you can see it very well. Expand it so that you can see it very well. Go down and look for Windows update. This is Windows updates. Click on manage end user experience. Then click on configure automatic updates. So take disable, click on disable, click on enable, no, click on enable, then go down to this place and click on notify for download and auto install. Then click on apply, click OK. So when you're done with this, you close. Let's check for Windows Update and see if it will run. On search bar, just click check updates. Click it to open, then check updates and see if it will run. So look at what is showing. Your device is missing important serious updates. You make sure to keep your device on. So this update will not run. It's not going to run. So it's better you disable your Windows update, especially if you're not using original licensed operating system. And thank you for watching and follow for more.